Hello everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid back with another Reef video. Hope you enjoyed hope you're enjoying the Reef videos, guys. You know, I will try and commit to Reef. Obviously, as you can see from the channel, the way it's expanding, I'm very busy. I'm trying to get as much content out as I can to bring people aware, because I'm getting bombarded with requests on so many projects. I've got a backlist and I do want to get through them. And sometimes what I do, I have like a little session in the Telegram group there where I will just give a quick summary on a token and project and that, and just post it in the Telegram group there. So if you're not a member of the Telegram group, do head over to there and get involved in the community. Once again, I appreciate all your really nice comments, guys, on the videos and everything. You know, it's really good. It's really positive. We're growing a really nice community here on CoinsKid, so it's all good. So basically, I said to you yesterday, we're looking at that bottom there, and we potentially may still be looking at another bottom. And I'm not going to disillusion you. I did say to you, we do need to get through these EMAs here, okay? And you can see we are coming up to a bit of resistance on this 55 EMA, especially on the 4-hourly time frame here. It is acting as a bit of resistance. What's positive here, though, guys, is we are bullish on the MACD, okay? If you look down there on the MACD, we are positive. We got that bullish cross down there on the MACD, so I'll zoom in for you guys. We've got that bullish cross, which is really good. That gives us that power there, you see, that power to push up. But what we do need to see is get through these EMAs now, okay, and then back test them as support to confirm that we are in this uptrend. Failing that, like I said in yesterday's video, you may see us get through these EMAs, okay, and you may see us get rejected and fall back down, forming a double bottom. And a double bottom will be extremely bullish, guys, okay? Even a triple bottom is really bullish as well, but you do want to see that double bottom in a correction, and it's perfectly healthy to see that, guys, okay? You can see over here we had that correction there for Reef where we did have that double bottom. We went up, okay, we looked like we were doing well, but like I said to you, we couldn't get through the EMAs. We're back to some support, fell through, just a continuation in a bit of a downtrend there, guys. And as you can see, we formed a lower double bottom there, so that would have looked extremely bearish, but we did recover and we pumped up, we made the bullish cross, and we just never looked back and made that high. So potentially you are looking at a very similar sort of structure to that moving forward for Reef. I could tell you that it's going to the moon. I could, you know, feed you some spiel that from here we will smash through this and go to the highs, but basically you look at previous patterns and you can sort of guarantee future patterns, if you know what I mean. Not always, not necessarily, but you know, unless we can get something here that pushes us through. I know we've got some news coming for Reef about mainnet and March, so perhaps that's helping this cause now and seeing us get through. And I did say to you as well, like, Reef is acting different from Bitcoin. You will see Reef sort of pump when Bitcoin's going down, and that is actually the case. Bitcoin corrected, obviously. It's got its little mini bounce now from the Elon tweet this morning. But I do feel, if you do look at the Bitcoin video, I do feel that Bitcoin's running out a bit of steam there, guys. And, you know, we are looking at a bit of a, potentially, not necessarily, a bit more of a correction there for Bitcoin. It might not happen, but if it did, then you would expect it would drag alts down with it, okay? And that's where you may see that double bottom, okay? You may see us roll over here, lose this as resistance, okay? Fall back, fall through the EMAs, looks bearish, but then we may form that double bottom, and that is basically what we need in this continuation there to get that power to push us back up. If we get that double bottom there, okay, you may actually see us form a lower double bottom, guys, just like we did there, okay? We had that lower double bottom from that bottom, okay? And what you could look at is a potential target there, and this is something that I've never really spoken about before, guys, but this is something you do need to pay attention to, because this is a little bit of a trick, okay? And if you look on charts, when you form bullish crosses, okay, when you go bearish, 9 times out of 10, you do fall back to where the bullish cross was formed. So you may be looking at that double bottom being there where the bullish cross was formed, okay? So that would give us a lower double bottom, okay, down there. So you potentially, if it's not necessarily going to happen, but I'm just making you aware of the potential that could happen. So Reef may get rejected here, okay, run out of steam. You may see Bitcoin roll over. Bitcoin carries the market. Reef goes with Bitcoin. It has that correction, comes down, loses this previous support, makes the lower double bottom, but it's actually where the bullish cross was formed. Because you get any chart up, guys, and you will see 9 times out of 10, when you go bullish, okay, and on a 4-hourly anyway, you go bullish and you start to correct and you form a bearish cross, you will potentially see that retest of the previous bullish cross, okay? So that is a potential play. I'm just saying that we may see Reef roll over here, come back down, and that would be my target for the second double bottom, which would be extremely bullish in my opinion, for a reversal and a push up, a refueling of those rocket ships. And I would expect that that's probably where the 55 EMA on the daily time frame is as well. Failing that, you may just see that bounce off that bottom there, guys. Okay, I'm just making you aware of the potential play. So, you know, hopefully, if you see Reef get through this 55 EMA in the 4 hour, okay, if you see it get through that, because this is a downwards projection if Bitcoin was to correct, okay, you may see us push through this now, back test it as support, and keep marching on, because I know Reef and form that bullish cross there, guys, like that, okay, and then march on and then get to these previous highs, okay, take out that high there. You would be looking to take out that high first, and then that all-time high there, because something's going on with Reef with a main net. So I reckon you could potentially just see Reef keep pumping forward, but I'm just making you aware of the fallback and the potential support targets if Reef was to fall back, guys, okay. So good luck on Reef, guys. We are still bullish, as you know. We are pushing up, and what is positive, we have broke through this support line. So you may see us get through that and backtest this support line now as support. And this is just a little blip in like this was down there. Like I said, we're potentially looking at that sort of pattern there. This is a little blip in Reef's onwards and upwards projection to take out those highs and that target up there that we've been targeting the channel for well over a month now, guys, okay. I do strongly believe that we will get to that target, guys. I'm pretty confident on that. You know, you should never assume anything anyway in crypto, I do know that, but I am quite confident of us reaching that particular target there, okay. So basically you could say that this is an impulsive move. So what we'll do, we'll drop a fib on it now, just to give you another idea of where levels support, if we was to get a rejection there, where you may see it fall back down to before it does move on, if it wasn't to correct down to these levels, guys. So you know that this was an impulsive move here. We'll go off this wick here, guys, okay. So you could say you're looking at a top there and you're coming back down, you're going to correct. You may be looking at a retest of 0.035 for Reef. So you may be looking at that level there. There's the golden ratio, okay, as a retest if it was to roll over and bounce there and move back on. If it wasn't to get down to these lows, okay, guys, if it wasn't to get down to these lows, then you may be looking at that golden ratio retest there as a great buy zone, okay, because Reef is bullish. It is bullish. So that's basically Reef, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. I will be back tomorrow with another Reef video. Please do smash that like button, and I appreciate all your nice comments on Reef and everything that you put, and the sharing is caring. So please do share the video on Twitter, Facebook, wherever you can. Bring more awareness to the channel, and yeah, let's hope that we can push on and form that bullish cross on the EMAs there. But so far so good, guys. We have got that bounce, okay, and we are pushing up, but as you can see now, we are hitting our head on that 55 EMA, so that is acting as a bit of resistance. So you do need us to push through that. But I've given you targets if we was to fall back, guys, okay, where you could see the fallback potential targets. So yeah, cool. Hope it plays out, guys. Catch you later. Bye bye.